Hi there, this is Dr. Ole with Central Iowa Neuropathy. Today I'm joined by Jim here. Jim came into our office, about a month ago now?
Been a little over a month.
A little over a month, okay. And what brought you in here?
I had so much pain in my feet that I couldn't hardly walk at all. And I'd wear my shoes for maybe an hour, hour and a half, and I'd have to take them off and just put my feet up because they hurt so bad. And I've tried the shots, I've tried pills, I've tried everything you can think of, and this right here is the only thing that has ever helped my feet.
Wow. Yeah, so you started the program a little over a month ago, started doing his home therapies, and I mean almost right away, right? Like you started us changing?
Yeah.
And came in today and you said, what, you can wear your shoes all day long.
Yeah, my feet aren't even hurting now.
That's amazing. And just like most people, I'm sure you're a little skeptical when you came in, right?
Yeah, because, well, after you've tried everything that you can think of, I had like double cortisone shot in my feet. And it would last maybe 2 or 3 days when it's supposed to last a month.
Yeah.
And it's right back to where it feels like you got a lighter under your foot, just burning your foot. It just feels like they're on fire all the time. And when you're that miserable, you don't want to do nothing but sit and just keep your feet up in the air.
Yeah. What would you tell someone who maybe saw us on TV or saw an ad and they're a little skeptical just like you were? What would you tell them?
I'd tell them to try it.
Yeah.
If you don't try it, you don't know.
Absolutely.
And I was skeptical, because I've seen a lot of ads that say this, say that, and I'll tell you what, it does work.
Absolutely.
This man right here has helped me 100% compared to what I was. And I can go out and walk and mow the lawn, and my feet don't hurt afterwards. And that's mowing the whole lawn with a push mower.
That's awesome.
And I ride my bike. It don't hurt. Whatever I want to do, I can do during the day. And then at night, when I take my shoes off, I use my foot bath with my meter, and that's all I need to do.
That's great. Well, I hope this helps someone out there. Maybe you've been suffering with something similar to Jim here. If you have, give us a call. Let us see if we can help you. Have a great day.